Hip hinge. Your hinge is one of your 4 fundamental movements. As a refresher, that's your squat, your hinge, your pull, and your push. Hinge is something you incorporate in almost a lot of your lower body movements, your dumbbell Romanian deadlift, your barbell Romanian deadlift, your conventional deadlift, all of your deadlifts, all of the things. Learning just the hip hinge, okay? Hip hinge, when you look from the side, you're literally thinking of your hips as a door hinge. So a door hinge opens and closes like so. There's no like bending action involved in a hinge, right? So thinking of my hips as a door hinge, I'm sending my hips back as I hinge forward. You can see my hips are moving back as my chest follows the natural path of motion. At the bottom of the movement, I feel a pull in my hamstrings, and then I come up. Hinge, come up. I'm not bending from my back. I'm hinging from my hips. To practice this, grab a foam roller. You're holding this, resting it right on your hip bones and on your wrists. So from the side, I'm resting it right on my hips and my wrists. I'm following that same movement. So my hips, I'm thinking about closing the car door with my butt, my hands full of groceries, got to close the car door, come back up. So while I do this, I'm letting the foam roller run down my leg and up my arm to kind of keep me in the correct position to learn the movement. You should know you're doing the right thing if at the bottom of the movement you feel a nice stretch or pull through your hamstring, maybe into your glute a little bit. Come back up.